Before we can change behaviour, we need to understand it so we can better assess why children misbehave in certain occasions. Many adults grew up thinking that challenging behaviour means a child is being naughty, disobedient, or deliberately difficult. But young children are still developing the skills needed for self-control, planning, patience, communication, and emotional regulation. Their feelings often arrive before they have the words or maturity to manage them. Imagine trying to solve a problem while feeling tired, hungry, disappointed, and overwhelmed. Now imagine being 3 years old. That is often what challenging behaviour feels like for a child. Instead of starting with the question, how do I stop this? Positive discipline encourages us to ask, what is my child trying to communicate? Behaviour is often communication. A child may be unconsciously telling us, I am tired, I am hungry, this is too much, I need help, or many other things that they struggle to say with words. Now, let's make this real. Imagine your child cries because you cut their toast into squares instead of triangles. To an adult, this may seem completely irrational. You may feel like saying, it's only toast. But for your child, the toast may be the final trigger after a morning of tiredness, hunger, or feeling rushed. Maybe they had imagined triangle toasts. Maybe they wanted to feel in control. Maybe they do not yet have the words to say, I feel disappointed. The toast is not really the whole problem. It is simply the moment when the feelings overflow. Or imagine your child refuses to leave the playground. From your point of view, it is time to go home. From your child's point of view, something fun is ending suddenly. They may not understand time clearly yet. They may not know when they will come back. They may feel powerless. So what looks like defiance may actually be disappointment, frustration, or anxiety about transition. Understanding this does not mean giving in. You can still say, we are going home, but you can say it with more empathy and less anger. For example, I know you want to stay. It is hard to leave when you are having fun. We are still going home now, and we can come back another day. One useful technique is to become a behaviour detective. When your child struggles, pause and ask yourself, are they hungry, tired, overstimulated, frustrated, seeking connection? Is the task too difficult? The transition too sudden? This pause can change everything. If your child always melts down before dinner, the issue may not be bad behaviour. It may be hunger and tiredness at the end of the day. A small snack earlier, a calmer transition, or fewer demands at that time may prevent the problem. If your child always refuses to get dressed in the morning, the issue may not be defiance. It may be that mornings feel rushed and stressful. Preparing clothes the night before and offering 2 choices may help. For example, tomorrow is nursery day. Do you want to wear the dinosaur t-shirt or the blue jumper? This gives your child some control while still keeping the boundary. The key message of this chapter is that children are not simply giving you a hard time. Often they are having a hard time. When we see behaviour this way, discipline becomes less about control and more about teaching.